Guys, good morning. Welcome back again. So here is the chart pattern. We were like slightly capped up and there is this bearish momentum, but I think it's not going to go below this. I mean, we don't know. If it goes below that, we have a plan. And I'm not seeing much decay in any of this also. Like there is a slight decay, but this has crashed to some extent because of the gap up, nearly 200 points, right, compared to yesterday. Here, we are not seeing much decay because of the increase in India weeks. India weeks yesterday increased by 15%. Now we are exactly in the same place. If its market is reversing, then we'll see some reduction in this. In that point, what happens? This will decay faster and this will not go much faster. I think we have seen this point multiple times. You would have understood by now. If not, let me know. I'll explain more clearly. And this is not decaying much faster. From yesterday, it is like in the same place, some 25 till the transit came. But I was thinking to come closer at one point due to the increase in the wicks. So at that point, what I was thinking, let it reverse. We will see the good decay in this, and this will not go far, grow faster. That's what has happened. But our M2M is not moving very fast, and we are not in hurry also. So slight increase. We are accumulating slowly. That's what we wanted. Don't hurry and burn your hands. Go slowly. Okay. And now this is our positions. We have seen the bank nifty chart and our plan. If the uptrend is breaking this, then we will have to see a place coming closer in the monthly buy. Now we will have a look once whether we have an option. Intrinsic I could have done yesterday because of my busy schedule. I have not seen. If any of you booked intrinsic in PE during reversal, let me know. That was a good place. I don't know if any of you saw that. Even I could not capture that intrinsic. So it's okay. I think let's have a look now. We can come closer in the see between these two is 50. I think only in the reversal we could come closer, but now there is no reversal sign. You don't have to give this much premium and come closer. What about to the P side monthly? Can we come closer? So between this, so we are going to give 100 rupees till this point. There is no liquidity here. That's the reason. So either we have to come here. If there is any reversal to the down, I think we can still come till this point. Let's have a look at the chart pattern. Okay, there is support. It is taking support. If it is breaking back, making back to back red candles, I think good idea to come closer till this point. So I would like to show you some learning. So we were like this, right? So we are seeing the chart pattern, what are our adjustments, and what is the questions. I think I have not seen any questions today. If any questions, again put in the comment box. I'll explain in the next steps. But anyways, I would like to give you guys some learning points. One thing is this OI. If you are okay with, if you want to learn this OI change and why, let me know. I'll give you a brief explanation on this. Along with the chart patterns, we can also see this OI thing. You can see it in many free tools, and I, if you are sensible already, it's okay. If not, Upstra also free account, you can see that, or many other tools are there. Okay. And the learning for today. So if you are busy with your work, if you want to exit this and move on to the next one, but still you want to gain from the monthly one, so what you can do, or you are busy with your girlfriend after marriage, I'm talking, or with any other work, and you want to keep your fly as it is, you don't want to miss the bus. In that case, what you do, exit all your weekly, and monthly you make it lossless. I mean, many times I have told IronFly. I'll explain you one more time what is lossless. So I have this, I mean, this is showing 48,000 because we have exited from I mean, we have unselected this. So out of this 40 or 42,000, we have to give away some profit to make it losses. That's okay. We are not giving from our pocket. And what I'll do, I'll exit this and I will make this side lossless. How we will see. And we can keep the fly in the auto mode just with say 5 lakhs. You don't have to keep entire capital, just with 5 lakhs. So this is still not lossless. We'll come closer until we will see some good profit to the downside. So we have seen some profit here. Okay, this is not liquid. This is also not liquid here. We have the liquidity, and we can see some 48,000 locked to the upside. And market is still to the lower break even. So this side, I don't want to see loss again because I'm going to leave this in the autopilot mode. What I can do, I will exit the buy leg here also and come closer. So I don't have to have same profit as above. You can just have some. Okay, so 20,000 locked to the both side. If a market is bearish more towards this side, you can have more profit here, right? So I'll go little away in this. So to the down, I have 10, to the up, 22,000. Not much difference, right? Let's lock 20,000 both the sides, minus 375 minus, and nearly 1,000 rupees you have to minus from this. 19,000 locked to the downside, any side. And in the middle, we have 1,45,000. And so here 90,000 till expiry, here 70,000. If market expires somewhere here, we'll get very good profit in 5 lakhs. For 5 lots, it's 5 lakhs. We are not taking weekly, right? And that is the another learning. So this is lossless now. You can go anywhere, either it is 28,000 or 1,45,000 or in between that. You are not giving anything from your pocket. That's how you make lossless and sit with the profit. And sometimes if you want to, if you are thinking the market is bearish and still you don't want to see the market all the time, you want to go out, you can do that. You can still have some loss to the downside or the zero level or break even to the downside, and let's see how much you increase to the upside till expiry. So t plus 0 is 45, but only for 9,000 till expiry, but in the middle there is a profit increased. Either you can do that, sometimes you will have very good profit with every uh, moving away in this side, opposite side, or you can also come closer in this if there is a liquidity. So there is some profit, you can play around like this. So if you don't want any risk, you can make it lossless. To the down 17,000, to the up 30,000 locked. So that's how you can play with the monthly, and it requires only 5 lakhs for the 5 lots or even less than that. And you can go anywhere. That's the plan. I hope this learning is useful for you guys. Let me know if you want learn any other you know, parameter or any other things within the market, about the India weeks, about the open interest, anything. We'll give a brief overview on that, okay, during our daily updates. Okay, I think that's all for today. I'll keep you posted. We see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.